What's up, y'all? Boy just woke up, so I'm low-key tired. But I'm gonna take y'all through my day, so let's get it. Look, to show you guys how big Fortnite is a problem for my brother, he just woke up, and guess what he's watching on YouTube? Fortnite videos watch. What you watching?
Is that a new thing?
What you watching?
Fortnite.
Why?
Really weird stuff is happening. I just like floated
Good
down,
morning.
took no damage.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so it's dumb hot outside. But I just finished up the little stuff I had to do this morning. Right now I'm on my way to the mall because I might cop myself some new shoes, maybe the new Air Max 270s. And then we're gonna head to Best Buy to buy some equipment, like attachments for my phone, maybe a Gorilla Pod or something. I don't know, make the decision when I get there. Because I'm really gonna try to hop back into YouTube, doing more vlogs, tutorials, and stuff like that. But yeah, we're on our way to Best Buy, so I'm gonna see what they have, show you guys, see what I get, and go from there. It's 19 Gorilla Pod compared to a $50 one. I'm pretty sure this is better, but I'm trying to spend $60, so I think I'm gonna top this. Ooh, Jordan 2. You gonna put these on for me, bro? You can put them on for me too, bro. Go ahead.
I need one of your crispy dad. Are they Nike socks, bro?
Heck no, they're not Nike socks. These are some dad socks. He went to go grab me another color. It's the red one. I don't know. I feel like everyone has the red one, so we gonna see.
Did you get a haircut?
All right. Yeah. All right, bro. Thank you,
Good seeing
dude.
you, bro. I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya. All right, so just got done securing some bags. But for most of you guys that don't know, I'm not a big spender. But when it comes to investing in my career, and also as well as, rewarding myself for the hard work that I do put in, here and there, I will spend some money on some shoes. But when it comes to like this stuff, videoing on YouTube or barbering, it's just investing in myself. So I'm willing to spend some money, but I'm not a big spender. But I secured some bags today, so I'll show y'all when I get home. Just got back home. About to show y'all what I got. You heard me. Dun dun dun. About to grab the box. It'll be great. So yeah, I got the Air Maxes like I thought I was. But these joints is fire. Shout out to my guy Mel at Finish Line in Lorraine, Ohio. He's a hooper, but definitely came through showing me these. But listen, funny story. So I got small feet. And every color that was in men's in my size, or just in men's in general, there were colors I wasn't really feeling. It was kind of plain. But Jamel was like, yo, your feet are small enough to wear a woman. So he goes to the women's section. I walk with him. He shows me these. And he was like, yo, I'm going to grab you a 10. You could try mine. So he grabs a 10. I try mine. And there you have it. This is a woman's 10. I'm wearing a woman's shoe. Y'all can't tell nobody this is a woman's shoe, a size 10. But it's alright though, because look how fire they are. So let me show you guys what I got from Best Buy. I got like a little, what do they call these? Oh, Gorilla Pods. I got the $20 one like I said I was, because I wasn't really trying to spend $60 on it. So I go inside, I come back outside, and it's raining. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and get ready to cut some of my appointments for today. I'm gonna show y'all some of the cuts, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's been a long night. Right now it's about, I would say like 10:30 I think, but I started at 6. I did about 6 heads, 6 to 10:30. I mean, it's pretty good, but again, you know, I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'm about to head home, smash on some food. There is definitely going to be more content from reviews, tutorials, vlogs, all that jazz. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when that happens. But in the meantime, in between videos, what you could do to stay updated, see some of my work and all that, you could hit, why can't I speak? You can follow me on Instagram at DreClipperhands, straight through, and on Snapchat at Andre_Morales. You can see some of my life in between videos and in between tutorials and all that. But again, I'm about to head out of here, go home, smash on some food, and call it a night. So again, I just want to thank you guys for watching. You're awesome. You're amazing. Stay blessed. See you.